Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we're going to take a quick look at our Plenum rated patch cables. Let's check them out. Now, these do have a solid conductor, all these assemblies. They are Plenum fire rated, built in the USA. Now, these are available in many different colors. Can be built in custom lengths. We do have them on the website at quite a few different lengths if you're looking for, just something on the fly. Now, these are also available for fast shipment. Well, there you go. For more information, maybe a spec sheet, questions, visit DiscountLowVoltage.com. Thanks.